So you may have seen the product review of the Gerber Suspension tool that I do recommend, and the Leatherman Wingman, which I don't recommend. And I didn't mention that we'll have the links below the video to you can look at the reviews of those directly, but it's also part of a series that I've done on my Urban Gardening Backpack Kit, where I review all kinds of the digging knife products that Amazon has that are like essential tools like this. I clearly appreciate good cutlery, so the Felcos are a necessary part of that, of any gardener. There's a lot of different hand clippers, but by far it's Felco. And I have a tree saw, and I have a lot of other products that I go to in great detail in a series of other videos, so please check those out too.